be shooting that old computer, and let's see if intermediate rifle rounds can defeat it. Alright, got a Smith & Wesson M&P 15, chambered in 5.56 by 45 millimeter NATO. We're hot. Well, hell, I'm unprepared. Okay, 2 shots on the left. Put it on safe. See how we did. Pretty big group. Of course, I don't shoot that gun that often. I'm not really used to those sights. Did it make it through? Went through. Did not come out the back. Stopped in the monitor, I think. Didn't even make it through the glass. Huh. Oh. Well, let's see how the old Soviet Simonov semi-automatic does. This is a Chinese Type 56, 7.62 by 39. Got a full metal jacket and a hollow point round loaded. Let's see how it does. I'm going to be shooting high right. Alright. Unloaded, bolt hold open, engaged. Let's see how we did. Okay. Now that's about 15-ish yards or so. And I was shouldering it, but my hits on this were far more accurate than my hits with the AO. I'm not really used to the Armalite platform, so it is what it is. Okay, oh, gotta be careful. Those both went in through the computer and went into the monitor, unlike the 223, which stopped at the glass and did not make it through the monitor. It is an intermediate rifle round after all, and this is a thick monitor, so it is what it is. Alright, thank you for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe.